Entebekanisa ya the Inclusive Dairy Enterprise ninga Stide Program ekatanduka mu 2015 aho Abariisa bahira obujuruzo kubaganyirwa mu nkoreji okutunguura obuhingi n'oburiisa.
Mwebali munonga okwita abajwe inafumu yabo konka kandi tumurimo y'orisi ngo mwanya go kuhereza ryikomeza amateburizo hati bamuta kwete yamate kumanugiye kamera.
Tide Program eshomisa Abariisa endisa y'omurembe endebera y'amate okutungura ebigombe by'abeeterine hamwe n'okutandikaho kunyamato mu mashomero.
Shomesibwa kora arisize hake kora tunge nteki kandi kuganyira mu kintu cyangwa n'ubunye n'entina kokari umurita igana abiri igana shatu umutima.
It's nice to celebrate, it's nice to talk about good things, but it's also nice to reflect on what could be done better. What are the lessons that we are picking? What is it that still needs to be done? I have a few points, basically 3 points. The first one is inclusivity, leaving no one behind. If you look at the SDGs, the Sustainable Development Goals, which we are trying to attain by 2030, one aspect is inclusivity.
We are looking at competitiveness. We are looking at sustainability as a ministry. How can we compete? How can we be sustainable?
Tide yamire munga ku promoting milk consumption kurabera mu piloting school milk program. Abana kunyamato mu mashomero kuko abantu batugandara usanga hati aba mashomero gakunywa amate ngeyonjira.
Umujecerwa mukuru w'ihanga wa district ya MBARARA imekatera turi y'abagenyi obirage omugenyi mukuru ahegera biciro kwataho kutwara mu mishomero menshi tongore cha SNV kitwire n'ikikora ahansi ya Tide Program.
We have visited district commissioners. We have the chairpersons, the political heads of the district. We have the chairpersons of cooperatives present here. We have production officers present here. I believe we have already model farmers who we can take for showcases. I believe for us, we are going to handle the mantra to make sure that it does not phase out. And we push it forward. Even in your absence.
Omuntebekanisa ya Tide Abariisa barukurenga omutwaro gumwe n'ecweka ebigombe by'abeeterine biri kuhika 14 hamwe n'amashomero gari kuhika 2292 gaganyirwemu kandi obwingi bw'amate bweyongiire okuruga aha ruto obuhumbi 2 miliyoni 8 okuza aha ruto obuhumbi 3 miliyoni 9 agarukorwa mu Bariisa okwetoroora ihanga. Enda Aidan Bataringaya.